Hello everybody, my name is Cloudy9 and I'm here to bring you Insomnia. Now Insomnia is a game where you have a flashlight and you have to look out for monsters. Also you cannot sleep, for that's what Insomnia is. Without further ado, let's get started. Just to let you guys know, I'll be doing this on the weekend.
Sorry for waking you up, son. I know that at this time you have insomnia.
Yep.
I just wanted to remind you that in the drawer next to your bed I left batteries for your flashlight.
Alright.
I know that you like to play with it. I will have to leave to work in a couple of nights. But you have nothing to fear. I mean, build yourself. Next to your bed,
Yeah,
in the
I have
closet, the doors.
everything.
There is nothing. See you in the morning.
I have everything to fear, mister. That must be my father. Okay. Objective. Survive until 6 a.m. Check the entrance, door, and closet, and use your flashlight to scare the entity. Watch out. If you use the flashlight too fast, the bulb may melt. Alright. So we are playing one of these games, which we've all seen these games before, but this is Insomnia. You can find this on iOS. I am a scared little boy though, inside my bed who cannot sleep. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. I didn't even hear that open. Oh boy. Oh no, 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 no. We are not doing this. This is my... No. I didn't even hear that open up, so why is that even open? Here, I'm gonna get some batteries real quick. I'll see, okay. Alright. I have to be careful and listen. So, if I don't talk through some of this, it's probably because I gotta listen. It's already 2 a.m. and I'm already messing up. Oh my god, what was that? Oh, jeez. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that door a little bit. That one's just the hardest to see. No. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I may do like 1 or 2 nights and split this into 2 parts. It depends on how long the nights take me. Whew, I got him. Scary looking entity, isn't he, guys? Oh, this is nerve-wracking. This kind of reminds me of Five Nights at Freddy. I think this is what this would be. A clone. But it's well detailed. Insomnia is no joke, either. They used to have it. Well, not used to have it, but I did have it at one point. It's where it's hard to sleep. Whew, got you. Boy, boy. So far, though, the first night is going pretty well. Like I said, you can find this on the Android and iOS. I'll try to send links down below, but like I said, I'm on a cell phone, so I may not be able to. I'm not really sure. I've never tried. Hey, hey. Oh, he got me. Oof. I got 2 things I gotta watch out for. I didn't even take a look at my closet. Oh, it's almost time. Oof. Oh man. I'm not gonna lie. The these scary. The game here and everything is pretty smooth. Not paying attention too well. So I would recommend this game to pretty much anybody as soon as like we see what it's all like. I'm curious about the jump scares. I may put the jump scares at the end so we know what it looks like. But for right now, we're just gonna try to get through the first 2 nights. I have an hour left. There's like 2 doors right over there. So far, he's more fascinated coming out of the one thing in the closet. Yeah, he's trying to get through the door. I'm surprised he hasn't gone through the closet yet. That would have made more sense. I go through the closet. I'm not really worried about the door, the entryway in front of me. More or less, this closet in here. See? He seems to be going through the door right now. So that's actually a good sign. I just hope he doesn't come and scare me. Oh, thank God. Alright. Well, that was night 1. And I see that we go back. So now it's night 2. Ooh, look at that. He's over there scary. That's creepy. Alright. Well, let's get into night 2 then. See how this works out. This might be a little harder. Okay, so if I keep an eye on this. Oh, will the window be a thing? Oh, no. Will the window be a thing too? Ooh. Hope not. I gotta keep myself on my toes. I cannot see that one door. Oh, no, you don't. I cannot see the one door over here. That thunder too. That blocks out the sound. Alright, so now he's attacking the closet. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You ain't gonna get me. I'm just checking the closet and the doors here. No, you don't. He's getting a little more aggressive here. Ooh, got you. I knew it. So usually when the thunder happens, he comes for that door over there. Alright. Well then. We will get you. The hell? Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this would be terrifying. Oof. I'm running out of battery here. Hopefully I can grab a battery pack real quick. Alright, I can. Heck's that noise? What was that? I'm already gonna have to grab another battery. I don't think he's happy. Ooh, I got him on the closet. I didn't even notice. Oh boy, I don't think he's happy. That was like creepy. These rabbits are not like helping me out either. So far, it's been easy on the first 2 nights. I may do the 3rd night just because. I don't like that. That's creepy. I don't like that. I'm starting to learn that a cell phone sounds a cell phone on vibrate sounds creepy at night, especially in a hallway that echoes like that. Oof. I'd be freaking out too. Oh shit, that was 2 doors that opened up. Alright, it's already 4 o'clock. I didn't know that other door opened up. Oh no. So I have 3 doors and a closet to worry about. Oh, that's not a good sign. That's not good for the community. So far I've been on top of them. But he's been persistent with that front door. Ooh. This is what insomnia is. I feel bad for this kid. No, no. This is more of a borderline of hallucinations, though. For insomnia, I don't know if this is what insomnia actually is. I know insomnia you can't sleep, but I don't know if you see things like this. Yeah, I might do another. I'm probably gonna do another night. This was pretty easy. Was a little easy, not really. Had a lot more to it. It is pretty intense. So I'll do another night for fun, you know. Why not? Alright, I guess I got him this time around. Dad's gonna be proud of me coming another night. Alright. Nice. Hopefully Dad's proud of me. Alright, now then. Third night. This will probably be the last night I do, so don't worry. I'll probably turn this into 2 parts to do the rest of the nights. There are probably 6 nights anyway. So let's get started with this one now. Alright. Alright. So nothing so far, nothing's gone wrong. Oh, I thought he was going into it. Oh wow. Alright, so he's starting off early. Oh, we're going. Oh, he's starting hard. He's getting a little more aggressive now. And it seems like he's like in that closet. Alright, so far though, I got a pattern that goes on. Oh, that door now. That door's gonna be... I gotta check both doors now. Oh, I almost got... Oh, this is intense. This is getting intense. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, that was creepy. Okay. All he did was put me on high alert now. All you did was make me want to go roam faster now, guy. yeah, he is. He is trying. He is stimpy stomping around trying. Oh, that's so creepy at night. Oh my god. I'm so doing good on battery life. I'm doing good on battery life. He's really going after that door over there. He's trying hard. Alright. We need some batteries. Hopefully I don't get taken out. Ooh, that was close. That was really close. Ooh, I got you. I got you on lockdown. Oh yeah, look at that. You ain't getting in this room. You ain't getting in here. I'm gonna have a good night's sleep until 6 a.m. I'm gonna probably sleep during the day too. Oh, I got you. Oh boy, I do not like that. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. Quiet. Trying to get some peace and quiet here. Trying to sleep with this thunderstorm that's creeping me out too. I am a blonde. I will ask questions. As in, where am I? I'm trying to hear. It's so hard to hear when that thunder goes off like that. Oh boy. No, 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 no. Stay away from me. Oh, he's definitely... Not gonna lie, that sensitivity is pretty high up, turning. Come on, I know you. I'm gonna try to stimpy stompy over here. No. No. He's getting more aggressive. Again. But I got you. I got you. You don't think I got you, but I got you. I always got you. I'm getting Daddy's gonna be proud of me because he knows that nothing went wrong. And I'm doing what dear old Dad did. I'm playing with my flashlight. Yeah. I wonder if somebody out in the window right there is like watching this kid just flashing a flashlight. like what the hell's going on over there? I didn't even hear that. Oh, thank you. Oh, jeez. Alright, everybody. Well, that is Insomnia for right now. And I'm gonna play the rest of this probably on the next video. So, probably later today in the next video. So, please, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then leave a like and subscribe down at the bottom if you want to see more content like this. Also, please ring that bell if you can, so it can notify you when and when I'm actually making a video. Not where, but when. So, you guys can know when to go and check it out when I have new content going. Well, thank you all so much, and I will definitely see you in the next video.